equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, power off your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB and unplug it. Gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap. Remove the screws from the back panel. Keep them safe, you'll need them later. Carefully lift the panel to access the internals. Take a moment to clean any dust you see inside. This helps with airflow and cooling. Next, locate the M.2 SSD. Unscrew the mounting screw and gently pull the SSD out at an angle. Insert your new SSD, ensuring it's seated properly. Secure it with the screw you just removed. Before reassembling, do a visual check. Ensure all components are in place and there are no loose screws. Replace the back panel and screw it back on securely. Now, power on your device. If you need help, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Enjoy pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. No calls, no travel, just a quote before repair. Your Lenovo Yoga is ready for a performance boost. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.